Hello. So the first way to declare a variable is to prefix it with the var keyword. This makes the variables type inferred, you can say. For example, if I did var number 1 equals 5, let me print it out. Number 1 is our variable name, and we have prefixed it with the var keyword, and we have assigned the variable a value 5. So when we run this, it gives us the value 5. Alright, yeah, so whatever comes after double strokes in Go is a comment. They say it's good practice to put comments in your code so that it's neat, makes it easy to read, all the good stuff. And don't forget that whenever you declare a variable and you don't use it, the compiler will return an error. Let's run this and see. You see? Imported and not used. Number 1 declared and not used. So it will always bring an error. Remember, whatever variable you declare, you must use it. Like, you must print it out for the compiler to be happy. So if we run it again, that will have fixed the problem. We get back our value 5. We can also declare variables outside functions. For example, if I took this and put it there, and let's run it, it will return the value 5 still. When you call a function, when you declare a variable outside a function, it will still compile, and that variable will be accessible to all the other functions. So all functions or all other functions. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. Second, you can declare variables by specifying the data type. These are explicitly typed variables. For example, if I did var number 2 number 2 is an integer, so I write int, and then yeah, let's print it out. Let's see the output. So you can see for number 2, it has shown the value 0. This is because we have declared our variable, but we haven't initialized it. There's no initialization, and if there's no initialization, it returns a default value 0. It returns the default value of the variable. Let's declare more variables, then I can show you. Let's say var raining ball. This is a boolean. I don't know. Do you say boolean or boolean? Boolean or boolean. Bool is either is either true or false. So var raining, let's It's raining. Next, let's do var name string. A string is for texts, you know. We'll get more into this later. Let's first just do this. What did I call it? Oh, name. What else? Let's do floating point numbers. Let's say the var number 3 float 32. Number 3. Let's run this. So you can see all that has been returned are the default values. For number 2, it's 0, the default. For var raining ball, it's false. The default value for boolean is false. And then for var name string, it's empty because we didn't write anything, so there's no text, so it's empty. And for number 3, for a floating point number, it returned 0. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put in the comments. So this is an integer. This is a right integer. Yeah. This is a boolean. Boolean. This is a string. And this is a floating point number. We said this will return what's that? This will return 0. This will return false. This will be empty, and this will return 0. I put some space. I just like to see that it's neat. Yeah. Now let's initialize them, give them values. Let's say integer equals 25 and boolean equals true. Yeah, it's raining. It was raining at least today here. String equals what we do my, and by the way, strings are put in double quotes always, forever and always. Let me say hi there. For floating point, let's say equals pi. Okay, let's run this. See our values: 25 for the integer, true for boolean, hi there for the string. Remember, string in double quotes. String always in double quotes. The text thing I was telling you about, we'll just jump right into it in a few, but remember, string double quotes. And later we'll also talk about why we're using this float 32. There's also change it up. we have to update this pi